Hey guys, Igor here doing this Streamyard news only to show you two new features that Streamyard just launched and teach you how to use it. The first one is the background music, and this is a pretty awesome feature that can change the vibe of your live streaming on YouTube and the other social media. You just need to go on brand and you're gonna see a pretty new feature here called background music. So the only thing that you need to do if you want to add the background music to your live streaming is just click on play and it's done. And you added the background music while you are streaming. And here you can change the volume and also you can choose to loop the music or not. If you want to loop the music, just let the button turn it on. If you want to don't loop the music, you just turn it off. And also, if you want to change the music, you just click on play on the other musics, for instance. Okay? And if you want to stop, just click on the stop button and it's done. So it's pretty easy to use the background music on StreamYard. And also, they already added the backgrounds on StreamYard, a default background. If you are just starting and you want to use the StreamYard default background, you just go on brand and go here on add background. And you can, of course, upload your own background, but you can use their backgrounds as well. So you can choose from those options. And then you just click here on the plus button and you have added a new background on your StreamYard. I hope you like that news from StreamYard and see you on our next video.